everyone, I am Jonard Carig, and this time allow me to discuss the remaining topics in modern physics, the quarks. So, what is quarks? Quark is a fundamental constituent of matter and is defined as an elementary particle. So, when we say elementary particle, it is a fundamental building block of the universe. So, meaning it has no known internal structure and cannot be broken down into smaller pieces like electrons and quarks. So, the quarks are treated as zero-dimensional points with no internal parts. So they combine to form a larger and composite particles like protons and neutrons. And the quarks combine to produce composite particles called hadrons, the most stable of which, and neutrons, protons, which are the components of atomic nuclei. So here are the following examples of quarks. Protons consist of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark, whereas a neutron is made up of 2 down quarks and 1 up quark. Quarks cannot exist independently, so as what I have said earlier, that quarks is a building block of a matter. So since quark has no internal parts and it is a zero-dimensional, so quarks combine to form a larger and composite particle. So here are the following antiparticle. The antiparticles that corresponds to every flavor of quarks are known as antiquarks. So antiquarks have the same mass, same mean lifetime, and same spin corresponding to quarks, but other properties like electric charge and other charges have opposite signs. For example, proton is positive. Then sa antiparticle is mahimo na siya negative. Pero pareha sila og charge, pareha sila og properties, pareha sila og mean lifetime, but they have opposite signs, positive and negative. So here are the following types of quarks. We have the 6 types are namely up, down, top, bottom, strange, and charm. So first, we are going to discuss the up quark. So up quarks are the lightest among all the quarks. They have maximum stability due to the lowest mass. So up quarks is siya ang pinakagaan sa tanan ng mga quarks. Then let's move on to down quark. The down quark comes next to up quarks regarding its light. Siya ang nagsunod na pinakagaan sa up quark. Therefore, it is also has high stability. By the way, the up quark is denoted as U, letter U, and the down quark is denoted as D, letter D. Next is the strange quark. The strange quark comes under the third lightest among all. So, strange quark is the third lightest among all the quarks, and it is denoted as letter S. Next is the charm quark. The meson, which is called Ag over C particle, is an example of the charm quark. So charm quark also denoted as letter C, and the last group is the top quark. The top quark is denoted by T and its antiparticle is denoted by T. The last is the bottom quark. The bottom quark is symbolized by B and its antiparticle is denoted by B.